today we will continue how to say the time. Be focused.
Okay, we will continue how to say the times. Do you still remember that Miss Ria has said that in clock there are two hands, long hand and short hand. At that time, you focus on the long hand that I put in number 12, means that it is a clock or sharp. But now I will put the long hand in number 6. If it is the long hand in number 6, means that it is 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. If the short hand here, means that it is 12:30. Okay, if it is the short hand here, means that it is 1:30. If it is here, means that 2:30. If here, 3:30. If it is here, 4:30. If it is here, 5:30. Here, 6:30. 7:30. 8:30. 9:30. 10:30. 11:30. Okay? Now it's your turn. I will ask you one by one. What about now? What time is it? Yes, that's correct. 2:30. What about now? That's true. 4:30. What about this one? What time is it? Okay, that's 9:30. Okay, do you understand? See you in another video.
That's all. Okay, now it's time for you to do the worksheet by yourself. Bye.